Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to go over the new modifications I've done with my truck and some of the things I'd like to do in the future. Kind of like wheels, tires, new headlights because I did the taillights, and yeah, let's get into the video. My truck is dirty, I know, I should have cleaned it, but I didn't because 3 days after I wash it, this is what happens. It just gets muddy. Really muddy, and to be honest, I didn't even feel like cleaning it, so I'll clean it soon. Starting off with these LED bulbs I installed because the halogen ones sucked. Like, I mean sucked. You couldn't see anything at night, but now it's like driving when it's daylight. It is super bright, and honestly, it's way better. Now I have a bullet antenna because it's way cooler than the stock one. Nobody wants that thing bouncing around. Like, this thing doesn't bounce around. It's freaking sturdy. Man, it's so sweet. Next up, I installed sequel mirror lights. Makes the truck look way cooler and way cleaner, I think. So this is what it looks like when I unlock it. So the yellow will be your turn signal, and then this is the daytime running light. It's pretty sweet. I really like it, and I'm glad I installed them, and I'm very happy with them. Get new wheels and tires, because I like the stock wheels. They're nice, but I really want something a little different, a little nicer. I'm not sure exactly what wheel I want yet, or what tire, but I kind of want either a 22 by 12 or a 22 by 14. I can't really decide yet. I'm not sure, but I'm looking, trying to figure out what I want, and at some point, maybe in the springtime, I'll have some new wheels and tires on this truck. 'Cause these ones, they're good, don't get me wrong, I like them, they look good on the truck, but I think it's time for something a little better, something a little more unique. But definitely need to change up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe a lift kit. I don't know what. We'll figure that out eventually. But for now, we're just gonna roll with the stocks. That's all good though. This is my Magnum back rack. I bought it because I really like Magnum back racks and I like how they look. And I really like the lights up there. So I bought one, and it really turned around how the truck looks. It looks more like a work truck, but yeah, it's also a Magnum back rack, so it came in, an extra large package, because you can't go wrong with that. It's got these grooves right here, so I can install light pods or a light bar on top, and they just slide right in. So that's a really cool design. I did finally tint my windows to match the back right here. I tinted them 20% on the front right here because it was very much needed. I didn't want my truck to look like a fishbowl because I don't think anybody wants their truck to look like a fishbowl. But the tint is where it's at, and I am very happy with it. These are my new taillights. They're Alpharex LED taillights. Very nice, very cool, very unique looking. I really like the design, and if you'd like to go see the video, I will leave it linked down below so you can check that out and watch how I installed them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.